Solanart is one of the most popular NFT marketplaces that operates on the Solana blockchain. With a sleek, user-friendly interface, it allows users to buy, sell, and discover unique digital assets such as artwork, music, and gaming items. Solanart features a wide range of collections, from popular projects to emerging artists, making it an ideal platform for both NFT enthusiasts and creators. The platform's low transaction fees and fast processing times, thanks to the Solana network, are some of its standout features, attracting users looking for a more cost-effective and efficient marketplace. After connecting your Solana wallet, you can start exploring the available collections. The process of buying and selling NFTs on Solanart is simple. You can browse through various categories and use the search tool to find specific items. If you're looking to sell, the process is just as easy. After uploading your NFT, you can set a price and list it for sale. Solanart also offers a bidding system, giving you the flexibility to auction your NFTs to the highest bidder. One of the major advantages of using Solanart is its seamless integration with Solana wallets like Phantom and Solet, making transactions secure and straightforward. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Solanart also features a clean layout with easy navigation, allowing users to filter their searches based on collection type, price, and other criteria. If you're new to the Solana blockchain, the platform provides simple guides to help you set up your wallet and start exploring. The marketplace supports a variety of digital art, so whether you're an investor or a collector, there's plenty to explore and discover. It's also important to note that Solanart prioritizes user experience, with fast loading pages and a secure, decentralized environment for trading. This makes it an attractive option for those looking to enter the Solana NFT ecosystem without dealing with the high gas fees and slower transaction times of Ethereum-based platforms. Overall, Solanart is a solid choice for anyone interested in Solana NFTs, offering a secure, fast, and cost-effective way to trade digital assets. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews and NFT content.